Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add hyperlink to a Facebook post. So here I've already opened the Facebook apps and I'm going to just start click on what's on your mind to start creating a post. And here I'm going to type in the text first before adding the link. Okay, and after that here you can adjust, sorry, you can just paste the link. So you need to first copy the link that you want to share. I'm going to click on paste. Okay, wait, it load the link. Okay, you can see this is my tutorial video about editing videos on CapCut PC offline, and after that you can just click on next and your link will be shared just like that. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.